Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the primary reason the night sky is clearly visible in Nubra? Option A, high altitude. Option B, low population density. Option C, almost no air or light pollution. Option D, proximity to the equator. The correct answer is almost no air or light pollution. What term is used to refer to groups of stars forming patterns? Option A, galaxies. Option B, constellations. Option C, planets. Option D, asteroids. The correct answer is constellations. Which organization defined the internationally agreed set of constellation boundaries? Option A, NASA. Option B, International Astronomical Union, IAU. Option C, European Space Agency. Option D, Indian Space Research Organization. The correct answer is International Astronomical Union, IAU. What is the brightest star in the night sky? Option A, Polaris. Option B, Sirius. Option C, Betelgeuse. Option D, Aldebaran. The correct answer is Sirius. Which constellation is often represented as a hunter? Option A, Canis Major. Option B, Orion. Option C, Taurus. Option D, Ursa Major. The correct answer is Orion. What is the pole star also known as? Option A, Sirius. Option B, Betelgeuse. Option C, Dhruv T Macron R with Macron. Option D, Rohi. The correct answer is Dhruv T Macron R with Macron. How long does it take for the moon to complete one revolution around the earth? Option A, 30 days. Option B, 27 days. Option C, 24 hours. Option D, 365 days. The correct answer is 27 days. What is light pollution? Option A, natural light from the moon. Option B, excessive artificial light at night. Option C, light from stars. Option D, light from the sun. The correct answer is excessive artificial light at night. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A, Venus. Option B, Earth. Option C, Mars. Option D, Jupiter. The correct answer is Mars. What is the main source of energy for the Earth? Option A, the moon. Option B, the sun. Option C, stars. Option D, planets. The correct answer is the sun. Which of the following is not a planet of the solar system? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Pluto. Option C, Sirius. Option D, Mars. The correct answer is Sirius. What do we call objects that revolve around planets? Option A, stars. Option B, comets. Option C, satellites. Option D, asteroids. The correct answer is satellites. Which planet is known as the morning star? Option A, Mars. Option B, Venus. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is Venus. What is the distance from the Earth to the Sun approximately measured in? Option A, kilometers. Option B, light years. Option C, astronomical units. Option D, miles. The correct answer is astronomical units. Which of the following planets is the largest? Option A, Earth. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is Jupiter. What is the main reason we cannot see stars during the day? Option A, stars are not visible in the daytime. Option B, the sun's brightness outshines them. Option C, clouds block the view. Option D, stars are only visible at night. The correct answer is, the sun's brightness outshines them. Which of the following is a natural satellite of Earth? Option A, Mars. Option B, Venus. Option C, the Moon. Option D, Jupiter. The correct answer is the Moon. What are asteroids primarily made of? Option A, gas. Option B, ice. Option C, rocks. Option D, water. The correct answer is rocks. Which object is known for having a long tail as it approaches the sun? Option A, asteroid. Option B, planet. Option C, comet. Option D, star. The correct answer is comet. What is the Milky Way galaxy? Option A, a single star. Option B, a group of planets. Option C, a galaxy containing millions to billions of stars. Option D, a satellite of Earth. The correct answer is a galaxy containing millions to billions of stars. What is the approximate distance of Proxima Centauri from the Sun? Option A, 150 million kilometer. Option B, 269,000 astronomical units. Option C, 1 light year. Option D, 4.2 light years. The correct answer is 269,000 astronomical units. What is the term used for the movement of an object around the sun? Option A, rotation. Option B, revolution. Option C, orbit. Option D, translation. The correct answer is revolution. What is the main reason Venus is hotter than Mercury? Option A, it is closer to the Sun. Option B, it has a thick atmosphere. Option C, it is larger. Option D, it has more sunlight. The correct answer is, it has a thick atmosphere. What is the primary purpose of dark sky reserves? Option A, to promote tourism. Option B, to preserve dark skies for research. Option C, to reduce light pollution. Option D, to provide a place for stargazing. The correct answer is, to preserve dark skies for research. What is the name of the telescope that helps us view distant celestial objects? Option A, binoculars. Option B, stellarium. Option C, Chandrayaan. Option D, telescope. The correct answer is telescope. Which planet has rings around it? Option A, Earth. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is Saturn. What is the term for the study of celestial objects and phenomena? Option A, geology. Option B, astronomy. Option C, meteorology. Option D, physics. The correct answer is astronomy. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a planet? Option A, revolves around the sun. Option B, has a solid surface. Option C, shines with its own light. Option D, is nearly spherical. The correct answer is, shines with its own light. What is the name of the second Chandrayaan mission? Option A, Chandrayaan 1. Option B, Chandrayaan 2. Option C, Chandrayaan 3. Option D, Chandrayaan 4. The correct answer is Chandrayaan 2. What is the main function of the sun for Earth? Option A, to provide light. Option B, to provide heat. Option C, to sustain life. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the primary reason for the seasons on Earth? Option A, the distance from the sun. Option B, the tilt of the Earth's axis. Option C, the rotation of the Earth. Option D, the orbit of the moon. The correct answer is the tilt of the Earth's axis. Which celestial object is known to have craters on its surface? Option A, Earth. Option B, the moon. Option C, Mars. Option D, Venus. The correct answer is the moon. What is the name of the belt where most asteroids are found? Option A, asteroid belt. Option B, comet belt. Option C, planetary belt. Option D, solar belt. The correct answer is asteroid belt. What is the name given to the stars that appear to twinkle? Option A, planets. Option B, constellations. Option C, dwarf stars. Option D, stars. The correct answer is stars. What is the approximate size of the moon compared to Earth? Option A, half the size. Option B, a quarter the size. Option C, twice the size. Option D, the same size. The correct answer is a quarter the size. What is the main purpose of using sky mapping apps? Option A, to take pictures of stars. Option B, to identify stars and constellations. Option C, to measure distances. Option D, to study light pollution. The correct answer is to identify stars and constellations. What is the term for the imaginary lines connecting stars to form patterns? Option A, constellations. Option B, galaxies. Option C, orbits. Option D, paths. The correct answer is constellations. Which of the following is a dwarf planet? Option A, Earth. Option B, Pluto. Option C, Mars. Option D, Venus. The correct answer is Pluto. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Option A, Andromeda. Option B, Milky Way. Option C, Triangulum. Option D, Whirlpool. The correct answer is Milky Way. What is the primary reason for the visibility of stars in the night sky? Option A, their brightness. Option B, their distance from Earth. Option C, the absence of sunlight. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which planet is known for its extensive ring system? Option A, Mars. Option B, Earth. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is Saturn. What is the primary role of the Sun in our solar system? Option A, to provide light. Option B, to provide energy. Option C, to govern the orbits of planets. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.